Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I want to show you some SEO hacks that are utilized through video SEO. So this particular hack, you can use for 5 different instances, and I'm going to talk about those right now. So the very first thing that this particular SEO hack is wonderful for is keyword probing. So keyword probing, we'll do KP for short. What is keyword probing? Keyword probing is a way to find a soft SERP. A soft SERP is a keyword or a SERP that is easy for you to get initial rankings in. So this is a good way to test a SERP to see if you could get some quick wins. The second way this hack is absolutely wonderful is it is excellent for launch jacking. So we'll do LJ for short. What is launch jacking? Well, if you're on the knowing side of knowing when a particular tool or a service or a product or something is about to be released, maybe before or just a little bit before everyone else, this is a way to get some quick rankings because those particular keywords may not have a lot of competition, and this is an excellent way to dominate that keyword. So launch jacking, this is an excellent tactic for, and stick with me because I will be happy to share this tactic, this tip, and ways to increase rankings using this particular SEO hack. So number 3, what's excellent about this particular SEO hack is it's excellent for reputation management. So what is reputation management? So reputation management, let's say that your particular business or industry, something that you're promoting, whatever the case is, maybe you have a illegitimate listing that's out there. Reputation management is a service all within itself. So if you're looking to get some movement or to push down a competitor, this tactic, this SEO hack is absolutely wonderful for exactly that, reputation management. And that really leads me into the very next thing, because just like reputation management, you want to get movement, you want to get some shaking of the SERPs. So, and what do I mean by this? You just want to get some movement. You just want to see if you could push somebody down or push somebody up or just get some movement, because when you start introducing factors, just like a regular site, you start to get some movement within the SERP. So this is an excellent way to shake up the SERPs. And number 5 is just a little cherry for on top, just a little, just something fun. And 5, this is an excellent way to impress your clients, or maybe just impress your spouse, or whatever the case is. This is an excellent way to go about doing that. So I want to just show you an example, something that I launched not too long ago. I'm quick on this SERP, and by the time I release this video, because I just put it up 41 minutes ago, the description is not yet there, but let me walk you through what you have to do to get some quick wins, to get some quick ranking. This is a keyword searched volume search of 90 searches. So we know that this is a weak SERP. I was able to jump right onto the first page relatively quickly by using keyword targeted. I also used the description of the number 1 ranker, but it has not yet showed yet within the first hour. This is 41 minutes ago. And I even did a screenshot iPhone test. As you can see as my photo, we show up immediately. So how do you do this? How do you utilize this particular tip, this SEO hack? Well, let me walk you through the process. All you have to do is you jump onto youtube.com. You will need an account that is verified, because you need to be able to stream or do a live cast. You will click this plus button up here and then go live. But as this is, you fill out your title, your description, make it public, and then see this button here, schedule later, schedule within. It's going to give you this box here. See how it popped up? All you want to do is you want to pick your within the month's time. See how it only gives you this first month? You could schedule out later, but I found that it does not work as well. So you want to put your keywords, and the best way to do that is, let's say that I used iPhone, right? I did iPhone repair, and then it was Wisconsin. See, as you can see here. And then the best thing to do that I have found to get some quick wins here is find one that has a lot of these bolded words. They're obviously doing something right. And then just copy their description. Obviously, you'll want to take out any details, but get the keywords that are bolded. Make sure they're in there, and then just paste it into the description, and I'll show you. So here's what I did. Best repair services in Milwaukee, guaranteed. So if you see this here, iPhone repair WI, so we'll copy this. I just want to show you something. So we're going to do all in text. All right. And I'll show you exactly the description that I copied. As you can see, it's right here. It's the exact same one. This, for that particular search, it was showing up. Best repair Milwaukee, but I took out the number. If you take a look here, look at call, and I took away the phone number. Now, why I chose this is, see all of the bolds? When you do the search, it would come up the same way. All those bolds would be there. Those are all keywords. That's everything that's perfect here. So in any case, that's how you go about that. Once you have your description, you'll go into your more options. Now, see how I checked my video location? I'm basically geotagging my video, and I filled out all of the required information. I fed all of the information to YouTube that it needs to present a result within the SERP. And the best thing to do, if you really want to get some longevity, or if you really want to get a more of a boost, just like with your links, just like with your website, there's one way to increase rankings and to get longevity out of links or rankings. And what is that? That is engagement. So you can always go to one of your favorite providers, your social media marketing service providers, someone that would offer something that is called live stream waiting SMM panel. So let's just do it that way. We'll do a search. I just want to show you what you're looking for. Here we go, right here. I have no idea who this is. YouTube Premier waiting views plus likes. This is what you're looking for to get the engagement that you need. So my name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions about SEO hacks, SEO, local SEO, digital marketing, video SEO, I mean really anything digital marketing or business marketing related, please leave it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO hacks, how to increase your Google rankings video. Have a wonderful day.